Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the differences between static and dynamic mathematical writing. On the left we can see the static writing, which we are used to, that is preceded by a plus or a minus. On the right side we can see the new dynamic writing, that's written as if the number were raised to a plus or a minus, but still it isn't. Before going ahead, I'd underline that the dynamic form, as it can indicate a positive or negative number, can still imply a static sign. The static writing indicates just a number that cannot be any other number. In a number line, it means that what we are meaning is just a point and nothing else. So, plus and minus before the number serve only to specify if the number is positive or negative. On the contrary, while in dynamic form, the number is approached by one or the other side. This means that the number we are tending to is never reached, but still the difference between that number and the number we are tending to isn't valuable. The plus and the minus indicate from which side the number is approached. Plus is for bigger numbers than the indicated one, minus is for smaller. It can be read, depending on the cases, in two different ways. Approach from the right or from above for the bigger ones, from the left or from below for the smaller ones. Let's make an example of the dynamic form usage. Let's consider the limit as x approaches to 2 from the left of the drawn function. In this case, we say from the left because in a Cartesian plane, x-axis is graphically represented with the horizontal one. If we had an epsilon approaching a number from the smaller side, for the same reason, we would have said from below. So, let's read this graph. While we approach to positive 2 from the left, we can see the y values decrease until they actually reach positive 1, and then they still go above that value. So, if we consider just the graph on the left side of that number, we can see that the number is approached from bigger y values. So, this means that that number is approached from above. This means that the result is positive 1 approached from above. I hope the example was clear and that you understood clearly what's the difference between static and dynamic forms. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.